This automated hub uses AI-powered tools to clone your network marketing process in minutes. Stop wasting hours manually onboarding Build Your Downline. Watch the full tutorial now. Before we carry on, look at this. I'm Edward, and this free team duplication system lets me run a global business straight from Japan. It gives you premium, done-for-you automation.
So when you join MLM Lead Pro, you are immediately on the 5-step setup wizard. Don't skip this because this is where you get completely set up in a very easy way. However, you can always come back here. If you just skip this whole sort of 5 steps, you'll be able to go back here by just simply clicking on this launch wizard again at any point in time. So go through this, watch the videos so you can get help. Make sure that you join the Facebook group. And this is where you get plugged into our profit streams. So these will get you into commission fast. And that's how we duplicate. Once you've done that, you'll move on to the next step. And this is where you add your own business of choice. You can add more businesses after you've completed this wizard, that you get to add more businesses. Yes, and that would be for free on the dashboard. So after the wizard, you'll go here and you'll be able to add your programs up, more programs in there. But this gets you started. So watch the video as you go through. Save, and then this is a very important step. Don't skip this because you need to join LeadsLeap here under your sponsor. Again, this is another profit center, and by joining this, you are in a way giving your system backbone. So this will allow you to set up the autoresponder, which is essential because this is how we automate the system and duplicate, so that when you share out your links to your lead capture pages, your referrals as they come through your funnel, even if they don't join this system under you, even though it's for free, they still get onto your lead capture page. And that's where you are collecting your leads. So make sure you set that up and you can get some help there. Follow the instructions. Again, we've got the video down here, so it'll help you to get completely set up and then save and continue. This is an exciting step because obviously once you've set everything up, you've got your autoresponder in place, you've set LeadsLeap up, you've added your business of choice, you've plugged into the core income streams. Here is where you start to think about getting eyeballs onto your links immediately. So we've got a very powerful round-robin traffic rotator that you can get yourself set up on. You can buy credits so that you can get yourself exposed into the built-in advertising networks. And what that'll also help you to do is to expose your businesses on up to 3 platforms within our ecosystem. So you really are getting exposure. You just have an opportunity to buy some credits, and that'll allow you to purchase premium marketing tools within the system, such as done-for-you lead capture pages, funnels, but also getting onto the traffic networks within the system, such as login ads, banner ads, and other things. You'll be able to automate in the traffic exchange as well. So again, watch the video so that you understand that, and more traffic coming soon. So congratulations, you are complete. Make sure that you watch the video so you understand what to do next, but this is your link to refer. So congratulations, you're basically done. You'll go to the dashboard. So now that you're on the dashboard, you're basically pretty much 90% of the way there. Now, some of the things you want to maybe check, just familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You've basically been through the wizard, so you can just make sure that everything's set up there. But understand, the important thing to understand is you're not going to see your links in these sections. So don't get confused. Your downline, the people that you bring in, are always going to see your links. That's how it needs to be. So don't be surprised when you click on these, you're always going to see your sponsor's link here. Obviously, what you have saved, it will be in there, and then they will be able to join under you. But if they've gone through the wizard, then they would have already seen your link anyway. You can always double check things by going into the settings. But the most important thing at this stage is, first of all, just make sure that you've got some more businesses that you've added. If you do have more businesses, you would have gone through the wizard and you would have added at least one, but add a few more if you want to. The whole purpose of this system is like a hub. You share out one link, you're promoting all your links in one place. When your people come through your referral link, which is down here, that's where you copy it. They will only come, obviously they will come through and they will see what businesses you've added, and also the profit centers and the core businesses. They will only be able to join under you as long as you've set it up. So you can add more lead capture pages down here. So you can add your lead capture page right in there, but you would have already gotten your page anyway. You would have the default done for you page set up, and that's where this link is right here. But once you've done that and you've made sure that if you've been in your account, you've set up your LeadsLeap as well. But if you've been through the wizard, that's fine. Check out the credit shop so that you can see more opportunities to expose your businesses, such as in the traffic exchanges right here, and also maybe consider purchasing login ads, banner ads, get on the traffic rotator so you can start getting eyeballs onto your pages. And look forward to working with you. Congratulations.
Why manually chase down line automatically? Lock in your setup wizard right now. Activate your traffic rotator and multiply your income streams instantly. Click the link below right now.